So let's start with the route, because every request hits the route first. Routes define how URLs in our application responds to a request and decide what logic should be run. We can write a route like this. First we write route, then colon colon. After that we specify the HTTP request methods such as get, post, patch, put, or delete. Next we define the URL. After the URL, we create a callback function, and inside that callback function, we write the logic that should run when the route is hit or when the route is found. Now that we know what is route and how we can write a route, it's time for us to create our first route. For that, we have to go inside our routes folder. Then we have to go inside web.php. In here, we will have all our routes. As you guys can see in here, we already have a predefined route. We don't need it now. Let's delete it because we will create our own route. So let's type route colon colon. The type of HTTP request should be GET for now. Then the URL for now, let's say slash or root project, then comma, and our callback function. Now inside the callback function we can type our logic. So let's type here return hello from route. Now let's open the terminal. Let's go to terminal and op new terminal. Then in the terminal we will type composer run dev. Enter. Now that the composer is running, we have to click on this URL. So hold the control and click this URL. Now the page has been opened. Our application is running and we can see our text in here, hello from route. If I go and create another route in here, let's create one more route colon colon get, and this let's call this about, and callback function. After the in callback function we will type return about us. Now let's go back to the browser, and in the URL here let's type about. Enter. Now I got about us. So this is how we can create our routes in Laravel.